F4க்கு ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்போ கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ். Odisha child marriage free. That is, in Odisha state, the Ganjam district has announced themselves that they are free from the child marriage according to the report of 2021. Okay, they have announced themselves as child marriage free state. And also the program they have initiated by the Ganjam district is Nirbhaya Kadi, means fearless bud. The children of the age below 18 have all rights to complain about the marriage that is happening below the age of 18. Here the important point about this current affairs is Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar and CM is Naveen Patnaik and Odisha's governor is Ganeshi Lal. Okay. And next one, RBI's new executive directors. The RBI's new executive directors are two persons are appointed as new executive directors. They are Deepak Kumar and Ajay Kumar Chowdhury. These two were already worked more than 30 years in the RBI in various fields. Okay. And the next one is RBI announced that Airtel Payment Bank has a scheduled bank status by 2022. RBI has given permission for the Airtel Payment Bank to be a bank in the scheduled bank in 2022. This is announced under the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of Act 1934. Reserve Bank of Act 1934. Okay, the MD and CEO of Airtel Payment Bank is Nubrata Biswas, and along with this, headquarter of this Airtel Payment Bank is in New Delhi, and it is the Airtel Payment Bank has been initiated in January 2017. Okay, January 2017. And what is second schedule of RBI Act 1934 is the eligibility for the second schedule is the bank should be paid up capital on the banks should be rupees 5 lakhs and above. Along with this, the bank should work in the interest of depositors. And fourth one is the CryptoWire introduces India's first global index for cryptocurrency, IC15. CryptoWire is a global crypto super app. Okay, it has introduced the first cryptocurrency, IC15. Okay, cryptocurrency, the base value of cryptocurrency is 10,000 and the base date is April 2018. The constituents of IC15 includes the Bitcoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin and etc. There are 15 components. Okay, it consists of 15 components, that's why it is IC15. Okay. Okay, then the next one is Ladakh's traditional New Year Losar festival is now happening. The Losar festival will be happening for 15 days. Okay, it is to encourage the tribal interaction. Mainly the scheduled tribe of Tibetan Buddhism participate in this function. Okay, based on the Tibetan lunar calendar, the date for the Losar festival has been fixed every year. Losar means New Year. Losar is a Tibetan word. And India's first auto ETF 2022 Nippon India Mutual Fund. India's first auto ETF has been introduced by the Nippon India Mutual Fund. It provides the exposure to 15 companies of India which is related to Indian companies. Okay, these Indian companies representing auto related sectors, that is automobile 4-wheelers, automobile 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers and automobile tires. These are the fields where the Nippon India Mutual Fund has introduced its first ETF. Okay, And the next one is the special postage stamp to commemorate 75th CSIR National Physical Lab. CSIR is a National Physical Lab, right? Okay, this is commemorated by the Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is the Union Minister of State's Science and Technology Department. This is to commemorate the 75th Platinum Jubilee year of CSIR. He has planned to bring out the ease of life in coinciding with the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Okay, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is Sustainable India. Right? As a part of this program, he has introduced various programs in the CSIR, National Physical Lab, and also he has commemorated the postal stamp based on the 75th CSIR National Physical Lab. Okay, and the next one is Sojila Pass, Ladakh. Usually due to the temperature, usually here it will be minus 28 degrees Celsius, so that the Sojila Pass will be closing the land route by January. But this year 2022, the BRO officers have planned to open the Ladakh Sojila Pass route for the transport of vehicles for the first time. Okay, BRO stands for Border Road Organization. Okay, this Sojila Pass connects the Srinagar, Sonamarg and Gumri Road. These three areas are connected by the Sojila Pass. Sojila Pass is located in the Ladakh. This may be a geographical question. And the next one is the World Braille Day 2021. 22. World Braille Day 2022 is commemorated in January 4. This date is fixed based on the birth anniversary of French educator Louis Braille, who is the inventor of Braille system. He invented the Braille system in 1825. Okay, these are the current affairs for today's January 5, 2022. And for stay tuned with us for more current affairs. We'll be providing current affairs in both English medium and Tamil medium. English medium current affairs are for UPSC, TNPSC, bank exams, SSC and RRB. Okay, these are the list of exams that will be useful for our current affairs of English medium. Okay, our current affairs Tamil medium will be useful for TNPSC, TN USRB and Tamil Nadu state government exams. Okay, stay tuned with us. Thank you.